How is the 2026 Labour Party leadership crisis affecting the party's future? This crisis is not just internal drama. It could reshape the entire political landscape for years to come. The 2026 Labour Party leadership crisis stems from a series of rapid and unexpected resignations and challenges. This instability weakens the party's public image, making voters question its ability to govern effectively. Historically, parties with unstable leadership struggle to present a unified front, hampering campaign strategies and policy consistency. Labour's rivals are already capitalizing on this turmoil to sway undecided voters and sow doubt about Labour's readiness to lead. Leadership crises often stall or reverse policy progress, and Labour is no exception. Different factions within the party push conflicting agendas, creating uncertainty about the party's priorities. This confusion complicates messaging to the electorate, weakening Labour's appeal to key voter groups. When voters can't clearly see what a party stands for, they tend to look elsewhere, risking Labour's position in upcoming elections. With leadership in flux, Labour struggles to mount a cohesive campaign for the 2026 election. Polls show a dip in support as voters turn to more stable options. A fragmented Labour Party risks losing seats and influence, which could delay or derail any chance of forming a government. The party's future depends heavily on resolving this crisis quickly and restoring confidence among members and voters alike. Beyond immediate electoral concerns, the leadership crisis forces Labour to confront its core values and direction. Internal debates about ideology may lead to a reshaped platform or even a realignment of party factions. This moment could either strengthen Labour through renewal or deepen divisions that fragment the party. How Labour navigates this will determine not just its next leader, but its long-term place in British politics. The 2026 Labour Party leadership crisis is more than a headline. It's a turning point for the party's future. Whether Labour emerges stronger or weaker depends on how it resolves internal conflicts and reconnects with voters. For daily answers to questions that surprise you, hit subscribe and stay curious.